Hey there, Sandy with Sandy and Company here today, and I'm going to share with you two families that we helped all at once. Doug and Kim had been looking for a new home for about 5 months. They were renting shop space and needed that as well as a little bit of elbow room to boot. Judy's husband had just passed away, and even before, they were having trouble getting around and keeping up with the maintenance on their property, their house, and their shop. The two of them were in the same friend group and realized that they could solve each other's issues. We were invited in to help, and so we sat down, had a roundtable discussion, and let them know what could be done and helped them decide what should be done. That's just what we do. We do this every time with every single one of our clients, let them know what their options are and help them choose how best to meet their needs. Afterwards, Judy and her family told Carrie that we knew then that we were in good hands and everything was going to be okay. Selling real estate and buying real estate can be really stressful, but it's what we do all the time. And so we can take the stress out of it and let you know that we are here and we are here to help you. I often say that real estate is in the middle of life. This is life, and we are glad to help and glad to help make it right. Have a beautiful day. Let us know how we can help you in your particular situation for your family and your friends, and be that resource so that you know that you're in good hands and everything's going to be okay. Have a blessed day. I look forward to talking with you soon.